Hey everybody, this is Bart with Great Meals Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing a pizza on the Weber Kettle, and we're going to do it from a basic pizza kit. Stay tuned. Alright, we're just going to take the basic box type pizza kit here, and we've got both packets of dough, and we're going to add a cup and a third of warm water. And we're going to mix this up, and once we've got this mixed, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of oil in here so that the dough doesn't stick, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're just going to take a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And again, I'm just following the directions on the box, nothing complicated here. And we're going to drizzle that over the top so that it covers it completely. Alright, then we're going to cover that and let it set for 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to do this really simple tonight. I've got some bell peppers over here, red, green, and orange. I've got some leftover breakfast sausage that we've had in the freezer, so we're going to use that. I've got some diced onion, some sliced mushrooms, just the regular pizza sauce that comes with the kit. We've got some pepperoni. We've got shredded mozzarella cheese, and we've got an Italian 5 cheese. And let's see, it's got mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, Asiago, and Romano cheeses in it. So we're going to start building pizzas here in just a few minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started here. I'm just going to pour a little bit of the sauce on here. I'm just going to kind of ladle it on with the spoon. You can put however much of this you want. I just kind of put a thin layer on there, see where I want it. And I try to keep it about a ½ inch or so from the edge. It allows that crust to brown up on the edges. Let's go some more here. All right, now I'm going to go with some of my sausage. This is just regular pork breakfast sausage. I'm not going to go real heavy on this since I'm putting so many different things on here. And obviously this has been pre-cooked. I kind of break it up a little bit here on some of these bigger chunks. And then we're going to go with some of our diced onions. I'm putting about half of what I've got here, and I'm going to kind of layer between cheese and toppings. So now I'm going to go with the Italian 5 spice. I'm going to layer this on there. I'm not going to go super heavy with this layer because I'm going to come back, put more toppings, and then come back with the mozzarella on top. Then I'm also going to grate some fresh Parmesan on top of it as well. Okay, let's go with some green pepper on here. Yeah, so a few more of those in there. A little orange and red bell peppers. And our mushrooms. Now these are just regular, I don't know what they are, just regular white button mushrooms. These aren't baby bellas or anything. Just whatever you like. We just happen to have these. I've got these sliced pretty thin here. I really don't like thick mushrooms on my pizza. Okay, we're going to go with some pepperoni here. No pattern, I'm just kind of throwing it on here so each piece of pizza will have some pepperoni on it. There we go. Now I'm going to come back with mozzarella. And I like sausage, so I'm going to go ahead and put just a little more sausage on top here. And you can never have too much pepperoni. Okay, one or two more little pieces of pepperoni here. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some oregano on top here. Just a little bit. I like the oregano flavor on my pizza. Last but not least, I'm going to trickle just a little bit of olive oil on here. Just a little bit. All right, we're going to go get this out on the Weber Kettle, and we'll be back. Okay, our kettle's all warmed up here. As you can see, we're about 500, 525, somewhere right in there. So we're ready to put this pizza on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this pizza on, and about every 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And we're just putting the whole pan right on here. Put that on there. Organize our pepperoni, make it look a little better here. Okay, like I said, about every 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and rotate that. And it'll take probably 15 minutes or so for this to be finished up. So I'll be back when I go to rotate it the first time here. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes here, so I'm going to go ahead and rotate this 90 degrees. Obviously, I'm not going to do this with my bare hand. I'm just going to take that and simply spin it. Bring it a grip on it here. "90 degrees," and put the lid back on. And I didn't mention, I do have a 2 small chunks of apple wood, about this size, that I went ahead and threw in on the coals earlier. So I will have a little bit of that wood-fired flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and let this go for several minutes here, and we'll bring you back right before it's finished up. All right, our pizza is all done and ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and get this inside and get it cut up. And it is time for dinner. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.